losing pressure. Now those are my original plugs right there. I'm definitely losing pressure though. Oh. Yeah, that guy's gnarly. For me to do this, but get in there, bitch. Get in there, mother bitch. Hold on, guys. I might need 2 hands for this. There we go. Wow, completely broke off. Alright, so here's a pro tip. I left the plug in here for a really long time, and when I just went to use it now, as you guys saw, it basically ripped the head out and left this in the tube, so it didn't work. Just reloaded another one, so we're going to try this again. Put the nail back. Not that it matters. Here we go again, okay guys? And that's as easy as that. Now we're going to fill this tire up and check for leaks. And this nail is kind of small. It's nothing like that screw that I had in the tire last time. So I'm pretty confident that plug is going to hold. But we'll see in a few seconds. Alright, let's turn this bitch on. Just shut the compressor off. Tire's at pressure. Now, a good way to field test this is to take some saliva, literally put the saliva in there. If you see that saliva start bubbling, that plug is no good. And I don't see any bubbles yet. So we're looking pretty good here. All it's left to do is to clip the end and ride away. And it's as easy as that, guys. Don't ever be left alone in the middle of nowhere without a plug kit and a compressor, because that's all you'll need if you have tubeless tires to get back on the road. You don't have to call a tow truck. Alright guys, ride safe.